Hi everyone, this is Keyapp, platform for app analytics and app keyword promotion. Before watching this video, do not forget to subscribe to our channel to get all the news about App Store optimization, keyword promotion, and of course to get updates from our service. Also, if you like this particular episode, please leave your likes and comments. We really appreciate this, and this encourages us to create even more video content for you. And in today's episode, we decided to proceed with real case of app store optimization creation using ChatGPT. As you could remember previously, we had already some videos on our channel about ChatGPT, how to use it to gather the keywords, to create the app tags, and actually to create some, for example, recommendations for visual optimization. And today we decided just to show with ChatGPT and Keyapp platform how to gather the keywords, evaluate the app ranks, app keyword popularity, as well as to create the tags. So let's start. Today we will work with camera translation application. So first of all, when you gather the keywords, you remember that using Keyapp you can gather the keywords completely for free without any limitations in the number of requests you can add to your account, as well as you can check completely for free the app ranks for particular keywords, and of course the keyword estimated popularity and traffic. So before you proceed with keyword research, if your application is already published on Google Play or App Store, the first step is to add the application to your account at Keyapp. You can create an account completely for free just using the email. So we go to my apps, just paste the link to application, choose the country where the application is available or for which we are going to gather the keywords. Anyway, you will be able to check and change this in my keyword section, but we just choose the region. Let's be United States, the most popular region both for promotion and user attraction, and we just add the application to the account. After this, we go to my keyword section. My keywords, actually, the logic is the same. You just choose this store, you choose the application you would like to get the keywords for and gather the keywords for, and you choose the country for which you are going to work and get some search request. And finally, let's proceed with keyword cloud gathering using ChatGPT. So I transferred to ChatGPT, and as you could remember, actually, it is not able to follow some links, for example, to Google Play or to App Store. So you may gather the keywords, of course, when you work with Google Play, for example, while pasting the link. I will tell some secret. In most cases, when you paste the link to Google Play application or App Store application, there is this text part where actually the category or the type of the application may be mentioned. So if you paste the link and ask ChatGPT to get the keywords for this particular application, it will be able to check the text part in this link, so the application package, and according to this, ChatGPT will provide the keywords. So let's ask him to give us some keywords. I will ask to find 100 keywords. Do not forget to mention the language. Remember that actually ChatGPT is language oriented, like it understands different languages, and in most cases it will reply you in the language you ask. But anyway, it is better and it saves time to mention the language you would like to proceed for. And as you may see, actually ChatGPT got the type of application here because it is the photo camera translator and started to provide some keywords. So what should we do next? Of course, we copy the keywords. Do not forget that not all of them may be relevant to your application, and it is needed to sort them out to get which keywords provided by ChatGPT are relevant and which are nodes, so to be able to optimize and to promote your application only for relevant keywords, because we remember it is important in organic search traffic attraction. So we just copy the keywords provided by ChatGPT and we go back to Keyapp, to my keyword section. In my keyword section, we just at my keywords, we paste all the keywords provided by ChatGPT and add them to the platform. While the keywords are being added to Keyapp platform, we will discuss some more methods to find the keywords for your application using ChatGPT. One more way is to ask to find particular search request for particular app categories. So, for example, I'm asking to find 100 keywords for a camera translation app. And let's see the result. So we say actually that the keywords are mostly connected with the translation, what is extremely useful for us, but do not forget to sort them out as I have already mentioned previously. So we copy these keywords as well and we will add them to Keyapp platform, to my keyword section, just to check, of course, the app positions if the application is already published, and to get more keywords with some functions of Keyapp platform. So here are some keywords already added from our previous list, and we add the second part. Let's start. So all the keywords are added to the platform, and what to do next? Of course, to use the suggest button and to get some suggestions from Google Play to gather even more search requests for your application. Do not forget that this button may give a lot of more search requests, which can actually be used both in your App Store optimization and keyword promotion, as we get these suggestions directly from the Google Play. When user, for example, types any kind of search request in the search bar, they may see some suggestions, and we actually do the same and provide these suggestions to you just on the platform, so to save your time. So we just press suggest and gather more and more keywords for your application. As you may see, there will be some long tail keywords, some additional search requests, so just add them. For this, like image translation is a relevant keyword for our application, so we are adding all the keywords with image translation, all the suggested keywords. Let's check some more relevant search request. Like this one is relevant as well, so the application we work with actually supports different languages, Chinese and Japanese as well, so we add this request also. Photo translation is relevant for our application, so some more. Picture translator as well. So, and you may see that in such a way, just in several minutes, just using ChatGPT and using Keyapp platform, we already have almost 100 relevant keywords for your application after we sorted out some irrelevant search requests. So, in such a way, you just press suggest button for all the search requests, the most relevant for your application, of course, and in such a way you may gather more and more keywords just in one place completely for free. So translate photo is relevant as well, so we are adding some suggestions. And as you may see, At once, the application rank is shown as well as the keyword score and keyword traffic, just for you to understand which search requests are the best to use in App Store optimization. You can filter according to popularity, for example, or according to traffic, according to rank, and in such a way work with your semantic core to evaluate with which keywords you are going to work. And of course, the next step we are working with is the creation of text metadata of the application. We remember that for Google Play, it is extremely important to mention some keywords in app title and insert and long description, and it is possible to repeat these keywords several times in different fields, because it's not like when we work with App Store where it is enough to repeat just one word in one of the fields. For Google Play, it is okay to use, for example, camera translation, both is in title and long description. So we are creating the title for Google Play. We remember that on Google Play, the maximum length is 30 characters. So we will ask ChatGPT to create the title for our camera translation application using the keyword camera translation. So let's start. We mentioned that it is Google Play app. We mentioned the keyword, its camera translation, and also we mentioned that the title shouldn't exceed 30 characters. And at once, you may ask ChatGPT to provide several options. For example, five of them. Let's see. You may see that actually the titles are created, but the keyword is not used. So we will repeat our request. Let's see how it will work this time. From our experience, like working with ChatGPT, we would like to say that in some cases it is difficult because not in all the situations it uses like the keywords we ask to use or some parameters we ask to use. So it is needed to repeat or regenerate the response. But anyway, we may see that these variants are already better, at least the keyword is used. So anyway, the creation of application title just was in 2-3 minutes, and it is much more faster than we think at our own. For example, when we create the text metadata for the application, the next step for us is to create the short description. We already created the title with this keyword, and we will create the short description with image translation to the second most relevant keywords for our camera and picture translation application. So let's ask GPT. I mentioned the keyword. Remember, the short description is not more than 80 characters on Google Play. We ask about three options and just put one more time the keyword so to make it faster for us and more understandable for ChatGPT. So you may see that actually ChatGPT did it work, And we just got three options of short description for Google Play. Sometimes, of course, it is needed to check if the raw not more than 80 or 30 characters, but anyway, this is already faster than we create on our own. At the same way, you may create a long description for your application mentioning the keywords you would like to use. Of course, when we evaluate which keywords should be used in our app text, it is needed to remember about relevance and about keyword popularity. These are two the most important factors when we are talking about the optimization. Relevance may be estimating according to your app functionality, according to some features, and popularity may be checked on different platforms. For example, at Keyapp, we provide this score completely for free, and you can just filter according to popularity and just check which requests should be used in your app title, short, and long description. After, of course, you gathered the keywords for your application. So, in general, you may see that we managed to gather 150 relevant keywords for your application just using ChatGPT and Keyapp platform, and it took not more than 5-7 minutes for us. The only task which should be done at our side is actually the sorting out and just to get which keywords are relevant, which are not according to the application functionality. And at the same time, within this just 10-15 minutes, we managed to create the app title and short description. So we need to create long description, and with ChatGPT it may take like 20-30 minutes more, because we remember that ChatGPT is perfect for text creation, but anyway, it is needed to recheck all the information you get using it. And when you work with App Store optimization, we would like to mention that it is needed to add the keywords to the text created by ChatGPT, because in some cases it may not add the search request you ask, as we actually saw in the cases so we just created. Do not forget that Keyapp provides not only the keyword promotion, but we also have a variety of App Store optimization tools which can help you to gather the keywords for your application. Because we remember that the keyword research is one of the most important steps in your both App Store optimization and keyword promotion. And just to save time, you may use Keyapp to get the keywords fast and easily, as well as do not hesitate to use some artificial intelligence which can solve such tasks as well. Anyway, if you have any questions about keyword promotion or App Store optimization, about some App Store optimization tools, do not hesitate to contact our support team or your personal manager, and we will be happy to assist. Get top positions in the search with Keyapp.